If you only talk about the beautification of the format, if you want a good PowerPoint presentation, there are thousands of standards. As people in the workplace, facing a work-based PowerPoint presentation, the time we can allocate is limited. If we add one more feature to the slide according to a good standard, it may take a few more hours for us. When we say that a PowerPoint presentation is good, there are many standards, but to summarize, at least 4 criteria must be met. Readable. Structured. Uniform tone. Illustrated. One of the most important purposes of PowerPoint presentation is communication, which is the effective communication of information. So how can the information be better conveyed? The most basic thing is that the audience can know a few key points after a glance, so it is necessary to read comfortably and clearly. When the audience is watching the presentation, if you want them to have a good visual experience, then the slides must have a unified color tone and illustrated. If these standards are translated into operations, we get our 4 quick beautification steps. Unify the font. Highlight the title. Choose colors. And add pictures. Now let us practice how to beautify this PowerPoint slide with these 4 steps. Step 1. Unify the font. We can unify the font like this. Select all the text boxes, and change the font. If there are many slides, it would be troublesome to replace slide by slide. We can do this. Go to Replace, select Replace Fonts, select all the fonts here, and replace them with the font we need. After this step, all the fonts in the entire PowerPoint have become Calibri. Step 2. Highlight the title. In order to be able to see the key points of certain texts, we choose to add some special changes to certain texts in the slides, such as bolding and changing colors, which are relatively simple. In order to better highlight the key points, we can add color blocks to the title. How to quickly insert color blocks, here can show you a little trick. Place the mouse cursor in the text box, right-click to convert to Smart Art, and click to get this result in one step. If you are not satisfied with this shape, you can hold down the Control key, select 3 bars, right-click, and select Change Shape. In the design of the Smart Art tool, we see the layout. In the layout, we can choose different shapes. Step 3. Choose colors. Generally, the main color can be consistent with the color of the logo or template. How to do that? It's very simple. Select the places you want to modify. Find the color picker in the color fill, and click on the logo or template. Step 4. Add pictures. When we go to a photo website, we will find pictures of business people. We can see that pictures with a white background can easily cover up the text. We can change the background color of the picture to a transparent color, so that it looks much better. After these 4 adjustments, it can't be regarded as very high-end, but as a business PowerPoint, it is qualified. The key points are highlighted and the levels are clear. If you want free PowerPoint templates and picture material for this lesson next week, join our Facebook group and leave your email address.